Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today we are unboxing another canvas from Painting with Dots. I will pop a link to my last unboxing in the description or up in the eye so you can see that. This one is not a custom, the first one was. This is from their regular range. Let's have a look. So, this one, I'll put a picture up on the screen so you can see. For anyone that's a fan of Stranger Things, this could well be something that you want to get for yourself. Let's open this up. Okay, now, as with all double-sided canvases, you do just need to be a little bit gentle with them when unrolling. But as we can see here, there is no problem at all on the back of this canvas. What I am going to do is I'm just going to flatten it down a little bit. And then I'm going to pop it under the box for a second while we look at the other bits and pieces, just to give it a chance to just relax. So, in the box we have, oh, I got cute stickers. Awesome. Okay, so we've got a little sticker with a cute little plant. So, and we've got another one that says, oh, there we go, it says, be kind. Always be kind. Costs nothing. Oh, and another one. Oh, nice. This one says, squeeze the day. They do a canvas that says that as well. And I keep thinking about purchasing that one. It would look lovely in a kitchen. Okay, so I love their packaging. I mentioned this before. It is all reusable or recyclable. It's absolutely lovely, and there's just so much care that's gone into their canvases. So we've got their little card, Painting with Dots DIY print kits, and their, oh, there we go, get to focus. There's their details. So we've got their Instagram, their Facebook, their TikTok, email and website. And then this is the kit, the tools. So we've got a handful of baggies, got green boat with pouring gap. We've got the metal tweezers with the angle on, really useful if you place a drill in the wrong place and you need to move it. This is one of the plastic tipped pens, so single placer with plastic tip. Really good if you've got ABs, because the plastic tip doesn't scratch the coating in the way that a metal tip can. But also just, yeah, a nice alternative for placing. And then we've also got your traditional pink pen, single tip. Right, that's everything that was in there. Let's just move those bits out of the way. Oh, spotted another sticker. This is good vibes only. I like that. Right, so in here we have our drills. I love this paper, but it's very crinkly for videos at least. Oh, these are fab colours. Right. We've got a selection, not quite as rainbowified as the last canvas that I looked at. Let's have a look at the canvas itself, and then I will do a drill review after. So you can see already the canvas is sitting a lot flatter, although it does still have a natural inclination towards rolling up. Now, being very careful. So the image will always look a lot darker because you've got the symbols, and also we've got some, they are training wheels, but they are very faint. They're in like a pale purple. I don't want to go too far with this. There we go. I've got everybody out. So, this canvas, actually, I won't be the one completing it. It will be my daughter, who is a huge Stranger Things fan. So this is going to be for her to complete. So, hopefully she will love it. I think it's a really nice design. One of the things that painting with dots are really good at is finding these very graphic images that work in a small size. This is 30 by 40, and that is the image size, not the canvas size. The image is 30 by 40. This is one of the few canvases that they do that is landscape in this design, which means you don't get the option of having the magnetic frame, because the ones that they do go for portrait pictures. However, I have been able to find and have purchased in preparation a very similar product, but hopefully we'll be able to go the other way. So I'm just going to cover this canvas for a second. Just don't want things to get stuck to it. So yeah, this is very much the same sort of thing. So we've got, oh, I'm doing this upside down now, but yeah. So we've got this one, which has got string on it for hanging it up, and we'll go this way, and then it can be hung like this. So this was fairly inexpensive. I picked it up from Amazon. I would search around. You're just looking for a 40 centimetre magnetic frame as opposed to the 30 centimetre magnetic frame that they provide. So, or they provide as an option with their other canvases, not with this one. So you can still find ways to hang these canvases sort of to match your other ones if you've already got other painting with dots canvases. I'm going to bring you down and we'll have a look at the symbols. It is wobbly. There we go. It is, to look at, quite a busy canvas, but the symbols are super clear. We have got letters, numbers and keyboard symbols. Nothing at all unusual. Nothing that I can see that's going to cause any problems. Oops, there we go. Yeah, we've got nice, easy to read And as you can see there, around the, probably clearest around the A's and X's there, you have got that pale purple circle outline, but it is just enough to help. If you're new to this, it's not going to be something that's going to cause a problem if you're someone that doesn't need them, and certainly they've been done in such a way that they're not going to show at all. I really like this. I particularly like the fact that even these large portions of background have more than one colour in them. I think these have 3 or 4 colours just in the background. Really, really lovely. I'm going to cover this back up now because I get paranoid about it getting rivers and things. And then we can go and have a look. Here we go. We can go have a look at the drills. So, bear with me and I'll lay the drills out. Okay, so that took a little while just to sort through and make sure that all of the DMC numbers that I was expecting to be here were here. Cannot see a single problem with these drills. They look absolutely perfect. Just really, really lovely. Even, you know, 310s, which are notoriously troublesome, lovely and sparkly, really nice. Lighter colours. Let's look at these ones. Good example. So you can see there, there's no trash, there's no dirt, they're not oily or dusty. Really, really lovely quality drills. So yeah, absolutely lovely. What I didn't do was count how many there is in terms of how many different colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 29, 30, 31, 32, 39, 40, 41, 42. There's 44 colours, which in a tiny picture is a lot. But lovely, really, really lovely. And it's nice that they've given that depth in the design, that it warrants this many colours. Obviously we've got a big old chunk of this pink colour for the background, and then a lot of different shades of purple coming in. I think this is going to be a really fun picture when it's finished, and it's nice to be able to get images that are, you know, this is licensed artwork that's still based around a fandom and a TV show. So I think that's great. This is, I'm sure, going to be an absolute dream to complete, and I'm sort of sad I'm not going to be doing it myself, but I do have my own other canvases to work on. So yeah, I am still kept very busy. I think that's probably all I need to say about this one, because there's certainly nothing bad to say about it. It is a delightful canvas. I really like this style of artwork for this style of canvas. It works so well. Really, really cannot fault it. I think that this company of Painting with Dots is going to become a firm favourite amongst a lot of the diamond painting community, and certainly with me. I really like it. I love all of their ethos and what they stand for, and I would urge all of you to go check out the canvases that they have available. Do look at their Instagram. They often have sneaky peeks up there of things that will be coming soon. And one of the other things that I particularly like about them is that they won't sell any canvases that they haven't completed themselves, or seen completed. So you know that what you're getting, you know what the finished picture is going to look like, which is so lovely, because quite often we are just taking a chance based on what the picture looks like, and it's not always a true representation of what you're going to get at the end of it. You're not going to have that problem with painting with dots. So enough of me gushing over them. They are fab. Go and check them out. Okay, I hope that you've enjoyed looking at this canvas with me today. As soon as my daughter has finished working on it, I will of course do a post review. I may even get her on the channel, fingers crossed. So that's all from me today. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.